Anyways, I come from a place where I need feeling with limitations to what you can achieve out of life.
Some parents don't even want their child to go into something like this. So
You got no good dog, the name family, no good dog, doubts you got see in go maka na like egwu for ihe relationship.
hey.
Obichana m. O shiri ike o na-eche na ndị strong until ihe ahụ eme.
Ndewo ndị ọma na-ege anyị ntị. Ọ ka bụkwa n'oge nkata. Tata anyị ji ezigbote nkata anyị wetara unu. Geenụ ntị nke ọma. Onye nwunye ya nọ tata bụ Cameo Huzla. None of the voice of the east. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I'm Namna Kowarago Ofuma. I did not actually say who you threw me as, so Kowalo Haneze Kaimalo Yebo.
Ezigbo afa m bụ Eze Arinze. Abụ m onye Enugu steeti. M na-eti egwu. Eji m egwu ekwu eziokwu. Wesi dị afa m bụ Cameo Huzla. Ya ka na-akpọ m n'egwu m na-eti.
Cameo Huzla no. Anyị na-anabatakwa gị once again. Isi na iji egwu ị na-eti ekwu eziokwu ka mbidogodi na nke kedu ụdị eziokwu ị na-ekwu bụ ị na-eti egwu.
Ihe na-eme n'ụwa na ihe na-eme ihe mego na ndụ m ihe ka na-eme ihe ka ga-eme.
Kedu ka isi wee bido nya bụ iti egwu? Kedu ka isi wee malite otiti egwu? How did you start?
Etoro m n'iti egwu. Otu ahụ ka m si wee too. Ọ bụrụ na m mụta ya amụta ọ na m na-eme ya na m like ya. M na-eme ya maka na ọ dị m n'ime. Ya nwa bụ ihe m bụ.
Ito n'iti egwu onwe ndị bụ unu tili egwu nne na nna go nwunye tili egwu, you know, because some of the artists that's in ha to n'iti egwu, it's either that their father or their mother fo n'ime ha tili egwu. So ito n'iti egwu nwunye tili egwu na
ebe ntị mpam tikwa mana ọ bụrụ ụdị nke anyị na-eti. Anyị ma dịka egwu ụmụnna ha na like ba ihe egwu. Ụta ahụ ka o si wee dịkwa agbụrụ mma mụfa.
So how has the journey been so far?
Easy. It's very, very uneasy, but then it's expected because the road to greatness mfe ọ bụrụ ihe ga-apụta just na ebe ahụ. Ọ dịrị easy mana mmadụ niile ga-eju ebe ahụ na.
Ọ dị easy ọ bụrụ ihe ụmụazị. Ọ dị easy ọ bụrụ ihe ụmụazị. Ngwagwa na anyị, ke the story dị behind Cameo Huzla?
The story dị ebe ahụ dị simple. Mụnwa ebe ọbụla nọ a ga-amanatarịrị na nna ebe ahụ. Abịagodi na Cameo ọ bụ nsogbu mana ọ bụgodi na ngafe a ga-ama ihe dị iche ga-adị. A ga-ama na mmadụ gafe omume ihe a ga-ama n'ụmụ onye mesososote nna ebe ahụ. Then Huzla abụrụ the normal definition of Huzla. That Huzla to me bụ the definition of the struggle or represent the dedication, resilience and the perseverance, everything that goes with my whole strength.
I see you put a lot of effort in your music. I see like you're very so much dedicated in your music.
Yes.
So now the journey so far so good. How would you really think people in the Southeast or people in the Igbo is actually perceiving this your song?
The reciprocation is very, very obvious. Ọ na-abanye ọfụma na especially nke anụwa ndrop nke ikpeazụ. Ọ na-abanye ọfụma nwayọ bụ ije. Process. Just keep
Talking about nke drop off or success.
Yes.
Okay, now how did you come about that particular album? Like how did you come about it?
The song. Because my album is yet to drop.
Okay.
The song ị ga ihe na-agụ na dị egwu. Ị ga-ama na nwere ebe dị akụkọ si. So ọ dị ka ihe m kwubu before experience m bụ ihe m ji agụ egwu. So o nwegasị ihe m gabigasị. Then we fuzie at end of the day egwu ahụ mgbe m ga studio ego egwu ahụ bụ after ka m gachi na mbe Fino. That was the song that I recorded immediately I left Fino's house. So ị ga-afụ na the egwu bụ resilience in the midst of doubt. So ya nwa bụ ihe dị ebe ahụ.
Okay, thank God you mentioned Fino now.
Yeah.
Now, as an artist, do you think the OGs are in now? The OGs, the real OGs are in now. How do you think they are supporting Ndinke upcoming? Are they really giving them the normal required support to Hanidi car and car? We would just like to know.
Or for Fino or for ndị ọzọ.
Monyo ọbụla.
Because most of the times apụta na-akpọ Fino Flavor as if na ọsọsọ fanwa bụ ndị Igbo nọ na the industry. Mana ka mụnwa ga-esi wee za gị azịza, m ga-aza gị ya n'ụdị nke m bụ na mụnwa anaghị m anya ka mmadụ onye na-enye aka na onye na-adịghị enye aka. Ebe uche m niile na strength m na-adị bụ n'ihe m na-eme. Uche m adịghị ya kama emesịa nje na-ewekwa anya ebe ahụ. Mana a na-ajụkwa musically ka ha na-enye aka, ịjụwakwa in other ramifications ka ndị be anyị a na-enye aka. Ịghọta ma ndị be anyị aka dị kwesịrị ịdị na-enyecha show, kwesịrị ịdị na-akpọkọta ụmụaka on all those kind of thing. A na-emekwa ya kwesịrị ime ma presenters nọcha na redio most of the times m gee redio na-anụ ebe a na-akpọ egwu ndị mgbago karịa ka esi akpọ nke ndị be anyị. Mana ije na mgbago kwugodo ụgwọ azụ onye be anyị akpọ 90% of egwu ndị befa ị ga-anụ ofu mkpụrụ egwu ndị be anyị ebe ahụ. So I think you people shouldn't be directing this thing to Fino Flavor this and that. It's right time ebido etinyewe that question, etinyewe ya collectively
in general
banyewe ebe o kwesịrị ịbanye, because everybody ọbụrụ ihe Fino Flavor platform gị a na ị ga-eji na-ame mmadụ ihe ọ ga-abụ.
Not true.
Yeah, if you put it on yourself, niche you push a particular person, if you learn with so many people the good, there are people you can touch their lives with. Image interview and all that. So that's it.
So far so good.
Yeah.
You did not give us a stand. You're saying that Oburo Soso, Fino, and Hena is for everybody.
Yeah.
But now we're talking in the line of music. I know that now we are supposed to actually help people, other platforms. So now, what's why you see a bido as an like what is about an artist now? There are people who don't even know how to start or how to go about it. Do you think these people should give them something or maybe support them or make like there's something lead them through? Okay, see, I'm a godfather mo nekwe this person agwaga neuza see when we this thing. So
nke dị na mana ihe nghọtakwa n'ihe anyị na-eme bụ na o nwere ọkwa manual. Ịghọta ị na-eme ya chukwu enye gị aka social media dị ị na-eme ya a lot of people na-afụ ihe ị na-eme and ị na-afụkwa ihe a lot of people na-eme na-afụ ka ha si eme ya si ebe a na-enwetakwa your own orientation iji wee na-eme ya. And again ha nwa izi ndị mmadụ ụzọ ọ bụrụ na eziwe mmadụ ụzọ kpọọ mmadụ si ya na onye ya na-ezi ụzọ. So mụnwa amarọ ka ha na-eme ya ka ha na-eme ya. Like I said initially, my main focus bụ my thing, my own challenges. Na dogagudi na-aga nwetebe m approach nke newezi anya ebe ọzọ.
Okay, now that you've talked about challenges, so what is the greatest challenge you need face as an artist, an Igbo artist?
As an Igbo artist, first off, na ajụjụ a kakwara aka mana ka ntinye ya n'ego. Ịma na ihe anyị na-eme mata ka anyị si wee tụọrọ onwe anyị asị ego dị essential. Ihe niile a na-eme ego dị needed. So also video ama m ego na-ahụ shoot video and sentiment adadị n'ihe anyị na-eme. So ka ntinye ya n'ego. Then adị m ndị Igbo nọ na entertainment industry adịghị enwetacha the main support ha kwesịrị ịdị na-enweta dịka ka nsi wee kwuo ya initially.
Okay, now, do you think that your style of music, has something to do with you going far or not going far?
Of course, now, far and wide. It has something to do with it. Because egwu na-agụ abụrụ egwu aga-abụ a na-agụ ka agba ya or ka gecharụ mecharụ pụwa. Na-ekwu about life. Iyota icheke profile me ga-afụ turning my scar to stories. So akụkọ ahụ na-akọ bụ ihe normal people na-aga bụ sọsọ mụ na-agabiga. Ihe ọbụla ị na-agabiga na onwego onye gabiga ya times 10 onwe onye ka ga-agabiga. So it's a kind of reorientating people on the modus operandi of life. Do you get? So no ya nwa bụ ihe dị ebe ahụ.
Mana si na ihe ahụ gba n'ụzọ abụrụ obere
ihe na.
So if you're to work with any artist now in the industry, who would you want to work with?
Fino.
Why Fino? We would like to know. There are so many others. Why Fino?
Fino bụ onye mmepe ụzọ na o mepere m ụzọ ma na can say 80% of nsogbu ma adịgo solid na industry. 80 can have is 100.
Okay, so Fino it is.
Yes.
Okay, now working so far what has been the most good reaction you've gotten that inspired you to keep pushing? Because ọ na-adịbụ enwe ihe melụ mmadụ ọsị mba kwa maka ihe a mma na-aga n'ihu mma na-epush ka
Yes, ebe m si and doubts na-abịa with it. Ọsị ebe m si
I think you're going to share this story for us. I think we would want to know because I think there's a lot to this ABC. Would you like?
You got nugodo ogo the name family nugodo ogo doubts you got see around. You know, I come from a place where oga we na I need feeling with limitations to what you can achieve out of life. You know, and they got conquer good in karma before you conquer pota like, you know, when I was studio writing, I started from Esimenu Gezike good na abamuto na aga Nsuka around UNN chief for that producer. Now you can azuta fuel back then from Nsuka we feel is easy come back in. So from Enugu Gezike na abamuto abia abakpa then na studio some keys. Yota abia na studio rat na record kwa. Yota anachikwa azụ the same day can name ya before mbanyezi school, then from there pick bezie up. So I think na man kwụsị number one nne mmadụ maka ya kwụsị bụ ifu maka doubt and maka ebe m si. That's it.
Okay, now you talked about challenges from family. Now, so far, who supported you? Because some parents don't even want their child to go into something like this. So, who actually supported you the most between your parents?
My immediate elder brother.
Wow, it's not even your mother or your father. I was expecting you to say something like my mother, because that's what we get. My mother,
Mpama had that opportunity to witness the whole thing because probably the year on when we do make real views near Basate, that was 2004, yeah. So my mother was opportune, but then tinyeraro till me one performance me local government chairman then you have to tinye from back on no believe way, but oberokwa fault yeah or like the way it's way to and all that, like he believe that there is limitation, you got that. So, but my brother, my immediate elder brother, always been there, like believe.
Shout out to him. Shout out to him for supporting you. Now, how do you see this career in the next 5 years from now?
I gonna na spread the Igbo language everywhere. Na ga shoes, stores and all that.
So in the next 5 years, Ebob na Cameo another.
God's grace,
is there anything Cameo is cooking for us presently?
Yeah, currently album gonna drop on the 22nd of this month.
Wow.
Lost but found, yeah. So success would the first single, none of the album. Yeah, 11 tracks album. So apart from that, we have a whole lot of things on the way. Within the road, better pass, within don't pass. Yeah, that.
True, not true. Now, there are a lot of people who want to be into music.
Yes.
Now, if you're to go back to the hands of time, would you still choose music?
Yes.
And why?
Because also the platform and opportunity equals you. It connect with people. Like yes.
I feel like this is not just, this is a passion.
Yeah.
Passion.
How do we're on plan B.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I know we have a lot of young talents out there. So what do you have to tell them? Because some has their stories quite to tell.
Yeah.
So
maka na like egwu. And again, if you're doing music, prepare yourself for the worst. Just or something of that nature, get a lot of things, frustration, depression, when the cat is started depressed, yeah, so you gotta prepare yourself. And again, you couldn't manage your self-esteem, usagi, your confidence again, because that's all you have. And that's the number one thing, like, you be him be need as an artist. You get that? And again, respect and the man be humble. Man, I did not stupid. When they use the language, be humble, but don't be stupid. When you're madu, manatu na madu, you know, may feature and stick to your thing. That's all.
Okay, I love that and I really appreciate that. Now, Kanju was what's the strongest no you've gotten from somebody who you looked up to, and how did it actually affect you?
Strongest no.
Yes.
Strongest no I've gotten from somebody.
And how did
One more
it affect you?
because Kangwa gives you Kwabumo Yoga Buna Jumadi name expert no game. I've been disappointed to an extent. Now the only surprise, the only thing now for as a surprise no wa. Bumbe mad me in your
Wow.
ha.
Is it that bad?
It's okay now like be mad keep to his or her promise. Bumbe na this surprise. Yeah, I've had that experience that I always see people as people. Yeah.
That's really because I feel like you've actually seen a lot of things in
Can you expect no okay.
Now you've seen a lot of things in this industry, and then I feel like Ochenjigogi in different ways. Like Obrozi,
Bro, the same way we be do this.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, so far, so good. Is there any current pressing challenge in that is actually hindering you from going far or getting there?
Okay, the challenging way. Egon.
Akabuwego.
We challenge us and when I bring Egon. Egon.
Akabuwego.
And Ego KJ me promotion.
It's true.
Agbara came here.
It's true. Ego KJ me promotion.
Yes. Okay. Every other thing but mine.
Now, how do you think? Now, this is like, how do you think your song has been perceived in the Southeast?
Aye. Even all medication, God. Oh, motivation to every hustler out there, you know. All the class, mad kwesiega, kona hoto, wana hota mad, na hota how to overcome challenges and situation, you know. Yes.
That's a very emotional one. Now, this is more like the last one. Now, who are you looking up to in the industry? Who are you looking up to? And who inspire you the most?
Once again, any specific person name me inspire, but let me start with then they look up to first of all Fino. You know, yeah. Shout out to Ezege. Then McMill International, McMill, Joanna Lucas, and Dax.
And these are the people.
You know, yes. Then I be he made me inspire. What a specific so see na inspire by my experience, situation, he na gabiga, he made me inspire, you know. But I'm mad me inspire.
Are you sure you don't want to share this situation with us?
So what's
the situation you know Goni made the so tough that has inspired you? Like one of the like each take it and you just look back and say,
okay kuji boomaka. Boomaka very, very well. That was 3 years ago, 2022. Yeah, it happened unexpected, like weeks after my show. I mad himself like my Araya Romadina. That was 10 days to my birthday.
Jeez, that's really sad.
Yeah, that and Ubumaka Kimpam was expected. Yet I go at least a year around. Yet I know we are could yourself what you but in my mother came like a surprise. You know. So that situation was bad then. Okay. Nah.
Say it.
Or more.
Say it. It's coming out. Say it. You say it is coming out. We want to know. Say it because I feel like your life is a story.
Yeah, my life is a story.
Say it.
Because of where if a relationship.
Hey.
Chanam. That thing is underrated, you know. Not underrated, especially when you're loyal to your partner. You get heat na the very bad. People na the nature no very, but more my hinga bigger. Nature and the strong until yeah, me. You know. So that's it, but thank God for life. The ihe niile na-emecha gị na-adị strong na-aghọtakwa obi ga na-eri all this kind of thing, yeah.
Okay, so that's one of the strongest thing that has happened to you.
And they tell you.
The relationship una dissolve when
Ka anyị hapụ ịga dịkwa n'ihe a biko. Ka anyị hapụ nke a my personal life there.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. Ndị ọma na-ege anyị ntị, ọka bụkwa n'obi Voice of the East. Onye anyị na-anwalụ nkata tata bụ Cameo Huzla. O nwere anything you have to tell your fans before we?
Ihe niile m na-agwa Hustle Gang ka m na-akpọfa.
Okay.
Hustle Gang is my brand, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ihe m na-agwa ha bụ afụrụ m unu n'anya karịa ka m si fụ onwe m n'anya, and ịfụnanya unu na-egosi m na-egosi n'arụ m. Biko unu jisi ike, unu dịka fuel need ka m na-aga ije m na-agụ kọmentị unu na-afụ engagement na-afụ ọ na-atọ m ụtọ. So biko keep supporting me. I really, really need and deserve the love that you guys are giving me. I deserve from you. Yes, I deserve the love. So I love you guys. And don't let anyone, like, ikwana mmadụ bịa can help you everybody. Come on,
Hey, Hustle Gang, guna no gonu ka Cameo si wee kwuo ya. We keep hustling and we keep doing. Ọka bụkwa n'obi Voice of the East. Onye unu ya nọ na nkata tata bụ Amara Chukwuka ya na Cameo Huzla. So ndị be anyị, ọ ga-adịkwa ụbọchị ọzọ. Chetakwa ka unu like ya, share ma comment ya ka emesịa nụ.